Welcome to EDCI 335. And my name is Hunter Wang. Today we're going to talk about Deacon and Carey model, and we're going to learn some background and the process and some weakness and strengths for this model. So the result after this class, students should be remembering the process of the Deacon and Carey model, understanding how to explain each steps in the model, and they need to know how to use each steps, and they're gonna know like which steps they are stuck in when they use this model. And the third one is applying the Deacon and Carey model to develop the course instruction. And the fourth, evaluating the Deacon and Carey model's weakness and strengths. So first of all, let's study some background for this model. So this model published in 1978, and the Deacon and Carey model is a brief guideline for learning planners to design their course introductions. And on the next slide, we're going to learn some steps that Deacon and Carey model contains. So there are total 9 stages for Deacon and Carey model. And the first stage, identifying instructional goals. The second stage, conduct instructional analysis. Third stage, identify entry behaviors and learning. Fourth, write performance objectives. Fifth, develop criterion referenced test items. Sixth, develop instructional strategy. Seventh, develop and select instructional materials. 8. Develop and conduct formative evaluation. The last stages, develop and conduct summative evaluation. And here is a visual map for the Deacon and Carey model's processes. And you guys can take a picture or write it down for your further reference. And now we are talking about some applications for Deacon and Carey model. So example 1, Dr. Wang is willing to teach intermediate microeconomics course in University of Victoria. According to the Deacon and Carey model, so the most efficient way for him to figure out what is the learning gap between students and what type of content should be added into the course is asking students to take a pre-survey and do a basic knowledge quiz. So after this quiz, you can know like each student's mark, and you know how big is the gap between the students and what kind of content that professor should add it into the course so that students can make up and learn better in this course. So the example 2, after the quiz marks coming out, Dr. Wang finds out more than half of students get a low mark, which means students need to learn more to study well in this course. So therefore, he chooses to start to review basic microeconomics principles in the beginning chapter, which helps students to refresh what they learned before. After students mastered the basic knowledge, he could successfully start new course content that deeply analyze a high-level economics principle. However, this model does have weakness, and also it has strength. So the pro of this model is that the design of the model based on students' behavior and knowledge. But the disadvantage for this model is that course designers' educational thought would have limitation. There is a similar model with Deacon and Carey model, which is instructional system design. So the similarity are course design model and similar processes. The difference is adjust course materials. And here is all my references that I use for this course. And if you have any questions and you want to find out more about this model, here are all like some useful reference for you to find out. And if you have some personal questions you want to ask me, feel free to email to my personal email. And thanks for watching this video.